Aloha and mahalo for joining me on this short tour through the steps of building impactful and specific MAG hugs. Hi, I'm Sheila Bayukajar and welcome. MAG stands for Mindful, Accepting, and Giving, and MAG Hugs is a mobile application that helps build better relationships between teachers and students, one hug at a time. With minimum impact, an educator can quickly create, send, and record customized messages about a student's positive actions and how it has impacted another. MAG hugs are virtual hugs that strive to build lasting evidence that say, I see you and you are valued. With those ideas in mind, let's take a look at how the application works. Unpacked, MAG hugs helps teachers to notice the whole person. Like the pebbles of a cracked bowl, it helps to mend and strengthen connection while transforming common pains into teacher gains. Mindful, accepting, and giving hugs will help to connect the hearts and minds of Kumu and Haumana and is the foundation to optimizing the potential and innovations of our greatest resources, our keiki. Mahalo and aloha for taking the time to learn about MAG hugs. The following slides will guide you through the building of a hug. So let's start creating a hug. The first steps are to select the student you've observed doing something for someone else. For example, you can open your Google Classroom and select a student from the appropriate class list or enter their contact information manually. After selecting the student you'd like to send a text or email, the application will prompt you to enter in 3 different messages. This slide provides you with a simple example. Step 3 will prompt you to answer, what did the student do? We noticed that Tyler opened the door. Step 4, you would enter who and how was the other person impacted. In this example, we noticed that Mary, didn't have to put down her books. And step 5 is where you will name the action. In this example, we chose helpful. Once you've answered the prompts, you would submit your inputs by touching the Create Hug button. So, when you tell MAG Hugs to create a hug, in step 6, it will return a customized message based on your inputs. In our example, we entered opened door, Mary, didn't have to put down her books, and helpful. Here, you'll be able to read your entire message. Tyler, you opened the door for Mary so she didn't have to put down her books. That was helpful. Way to go. In this step, you'll be able to edit, save, or send. Once a text or email is sent, you'll be ready to create your next hug as shown in step 7. Step 8 is where the connection takes place. When Tyler's phone signals that he's got a hug text and he reads your message, he realizes he actually did help Mary out, and unknowingly someone noticed and took the time to let him know that he was helpful. In short, this virtual hug creates a connection to his frontal lobe saying he did something helpful and triggers emotions within his limbic system. He is noticed and valued. But your simple inputs doesn't have to stop there. It doesn't have to stop there because the hug isn't only sent to Tyler. It is recorded in your gradebook for evidence that Tyler will be able to see and you will be able to use as evidence to support grading and during student and parent conferences. Another option available to send hugs is seen in step 9, where hugs can become a part of a larger communication and engagement program between teachers and parents and counselors. So I hope you can see how MAG Hugs can help build better relationships between teachers and students. With minimum input, MAG Hugs will help educators to quickly create, send, and record virtual hugs that strive to help lasting evidence that say, I see you and you are valued. So I hope you can see how MAG Hugs helps teachers to notice the whole person and to help to mend and strengthen connection while transforming common pains into teacher gains. Mindful, accepting, and giving hugs will help educators to quickly create, send and record virtual hugs that strives to build lasting evidence that say, I see you and you are valued. As important, it helps to set the foundation to optimizing the potential and providing the space for innovation of our youth. Mahalo for joining me in experiencing how MAG hugs are made. I've included my contact information and look forward to any feedback or questions you may have.